Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix YouTube sound not working on Android. So if your YouTube sound is also not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So first of all, what you have to do is make sure your media volume is on. For that, go to settings. You can see over here settings is open. You can see several settings options over here. Scroll down, find the option for sound and vibration. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several volume options over here. You can see option for media volume, call volume, ring and notification volume, etc. Make sure your media volume is on. If your media volume is not on, that might be the reason why you're having this problem. So make sure you've increased the media volume. Sometimes when you're controlling the sound using the sound button, you might only be increasing the call volume, you might not be increasing the media volume. So be careful about that. Now next thing that you have to do is turn off the do not disturb mode. In this interface you'll find the option for do not disturb. All you have to do is tap on it. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Since do not disturb mode is on in my device, I can see the option for turn off now. All you have to do is tap on the option turn off now. Now you can see over here do not disturb mode is disabled. So now the next thing that you can do is go back. Now in the settings only find the option for apps. You can see the option right over here. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you have to find the option for YouTube. Tap on the option YouTube. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several options. Here you can see option for storage and cache. All you have to do is tap on it. And then you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here, clear storage and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. After that, the cache of your device will be cleared and your problem should be fixed now. If it still does not fix, what you have to do is go back. Now here you'll be able to find the option for force stop. All you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Here you can see option for OK. All you have to do is tap on it. Now your YouTube application will be force stop for some time. Wait for some time. And right over here you'll be able to see the option for open. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here the sound problem has been fixed. If your sound problem is still not fixed, restart your device and then your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix sound problem on YouTube in Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.